Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to unblock a phone number on your Google Pixel. So let's jump right in. First, tap on the phone app on your device. This is the app you use to make and receive calls, and it's where all your blocking settings are managed. Once the app opens, you'll need to access the main menu. On the upper right corner of your screen, tap the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon that gives you access to all the phone app's additional features and settings. When you tap it, a sidebar menu will slide out from the right side of your screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. This option takes you to the configuration area where you can manage everything from call preferences to voicemail and blocking features. The Settings menu is your control center for customizing how your phone app behaves. Now tap on Blocked Numbers. This section contains a complete list of all the phone numbers you've previously blocked on your device. It's a dedicated space where Google Pixel stores every number you've decided to stop receiving calls or messages from, making it easy to review and manage your blocked contacts. Now you can see all your blocked numbers here displayed in a list. Each entry shows the phone number you blocked, along with the date you blocked it. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific number you want to unblock. Find the one you want to unblock from your list. Once you've located the number, you'll notice there's an X icon beside it. This X symbol is your unblock button, and it appears next to every blocked number on the list. Tap it and a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This pop-up is Google Pixel's way of making sure you really want to remove this number from your blocked list. It's a safety feature that prevents accidental unblocking so you don't undo your blocking choices by mistake. Tap Unblock in the confirmation pop-up to finalize your decision. Once you tap this button, the number will immediately be removed from your blocked list and the contact will be able to call and message you again without any restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked a phone number on your Google Pixel, and the contact can now reach you normally. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.